Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate a couple different ways to type in Nubian on your macOS computer. The first method is to type with Keyman Web. To use that, open up your preferred web browser, which I've already done here. Using your preferred search engine, search for Keyman Nubian. Click on the link Nubian SIL Keyman Keyboard. It should be one of the first, if not the first, link. Go down to Use Keyboard Online. And here it is. You should be able to start typing in Nubian right away. And from here, you'll be able to copy and paste any Nubian text that you wrote into any website or program that you want that text to be in. However, if you want to be able to type Nubian anywhere without having to copy and paste from a web app, the installation process is only a few extra steps. We'll need to go back to the main Nubian SIL Keyman Keyboard page. And this time, click on Install Keyboard. You'll first want to click on Install Keyman for macOS. Go ahead and choose Download Now. If it asks you, choose where to save the file. Note that if you were not asked where to save it, it most likely saved to your Downloads folder. Next, let's go back a page and choose the green Install Keyboard button. Again, if it asks you, choose where to save the file. Once both files are downloaded, navigate to the location in which you saved both of them. Go ahead and double-click on the keyman.dmg file. Next, drag the installkeyman.app icon into the Applications folder on the side of your Finder window. If it prompts you to enter in your password, do so now. Let's go ahead and click on the Eject button next to the Keyman link under Locations. We don't need this setup file open anymore. Next, you can open up the Keyman app either via the Launchpad or directly from your Applications folder. You will most likely see a prompt that looks like this. It warns you about opening up random apps from the internet. Go ahead and click Open to continue the app. You will now see the main installation window. Click on Install. When prompted with this next window, click OK. Keyman is now installed, and you should be able to switch to it with the language button right up here in the top of the menu bar. But hang tight, we're not quite done yet. You can close the settings window and click OK on the final installation prompt. Now let's go back to the location in which you saved the two Keyman files. I have it open up right here. Go ahead and open up the SIL nubian.kmp file. When it asks you if you want to install the Keyman package, go ahead and click Yes. You should now have the ability to type in Nubian. But let's go ahead and do one final setting. Once you close out of this window, you may see a window that says Keystroke Receiving. If there is a button that says Open System Preferences, go ahead and click on that. If you don't see this window, we'll want to enable the setting anyway. So let's go ahead and go to the Apple menu and System Preferences. Next, find the button that says Security and Privacy. Now, you'll want to be on this tab here that says Privacy. Scroll down on the left until you see Input Monitoring. Go ahead and click on the lock in the bottom left corner of the window here. If it prompts you, go ahead and type in your computer password, or if you have a Touch ID enabled Mac, go ahead and scan your fingerprint. And you'll want to make sure to check this box right next to the icon that says Keyman or Keyman.app. After that's done, you can go ahead and click the lock back and close out of the window. Now, you can switch with the icon right over here in the menu bar to Keyman at any time and be able to type Nubian in any app natively. hope this tutorial has been helpful. I don't know how to end a tutorial, Tim.